Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add percentage fee based on specific payment gateway using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and then you see payment gateway. So we are going to charge percentage fee based on subtotal. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. So scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to charge percentage fee based on specific payment gateway. Now you see payment gateway ID Stripe. Now go to WooCommerce. So we are in payment tab. Now you see payment gateway, open Stripe. So we are going to find out payment gateway ID for Stripe. Now in URL you see checkout and then you see section is equal to Stripe. So this is our payment gateway ID we are using in custom code. Now back to code and then in code you see Stripe. So we are going to charge percentage fee 5 into subtotal divided by 100. So you can add payment gateway ID according to requirement and then you can add number according to requirement. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So our equation is 5 into subtotal divided by 100. Now go to checkout page and refresh the page. So we are in checkout and then you see your order. So we select PayPal, you don't see any percentage fee on PayPal. Now select Stripe credit card and then you see percentage fee 1.23. So our equation is 5 into subtotal divided by 100. So this is our percentage fee amount. Now select cash on delivery. You don't see any percentage fee. So we added only on credit card Stripe. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.